Okay guys, a quick video today, Easter vending machine event guys. I have finally collected 45 points guys. So guys, now I have a golden coin and I will redeem this golden coin guys. Now I know my luck guys, my luck is awesome. I think I'm going to get like 1000 gold into 10 or some golden VG fragments guys. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to get guys, because all the time I have recently get this and guys, from couple of last times I only get vigilante fragments and gold. So this is what I'm thinking, that my luck is going to be awesome again and I'm going to get some vigilante coupons or gold. So guys, let's try it out now and let's see from what I will get, gold or vigilante fragments. So let's see guys.